Blix AI just launched, and it's quickly making waves in the AI world. If you're wondering whether it's the right fit for you, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new software. Stick around, because we're diving deep into what makes Blix AI stand out, and why it might be the best tool for your needs. First off, Blix AI is designed to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Whether you're working in marketing, business development, or just need a personal assistant to manage tasks, Blix AI adapts to fit multiple industries. It's intuitive and designed for easy integration, so you won't need to spend hours learning how to use it. And yes, you can get your hands on it completely free through the first link in the description below, so keep watching to learn more. One thing that truly sets Blix AI apart is its ability to handle complex data and automate tasks with ease. It can generate content, analyze trends, and even optimize campaigns in a fraction of the time it would take a human. For marketers, that's a game changer. With Blix AI, you can use data-driven insights to refine your strategy and improve your results without the guesswork. Another standout feature is its natural language processing, NLP, capabilities. Blix AI can understand and generate human-like text, making it perfect for content creators. Whether you need to draft blog posts, social media updates, or even email marketing sequences, Blix AI can help you get it done quickly while maintaining quality. Blix AI isn't just for marketers and content creators, though. Its automation capabilities extend to lead generation, customer support, and client management. By automating repetitive tasks, Blix allows you to focus on what really matters: growing your business. It's like having an assistant who works 24/7 without needing a break. If you've ever used AI before, you know that a big challenge is integrating the software into your existing systems. Blix AI makes this process seamless. The software offers simple integration with popular CRM tools, email platforms, and analytics services. This means you can get started without needing a major overhaul of your current setup. One of the features that caught my eye is Blix AI's adaptability. As the software evolves, it learns from the data it processes. Over time, it improves its recommendations, making it even more effective the longer you use it. So, the more you interact with Blix AI, the smarter it gets, giving you a personalized experience that evolves with your needs. Now, you're probably wondering if Blix AI is right for you. If you're someone who needs a versatile, user-friendly AI tool to save time and drive results, then yes, this software could be exactly what you're looking for. And don't forget, you can try it completely free, so why not give it a shot and see if it delivers? To wrap it up, I've tried hundreds of AI software tools over the years, and Blix AI is quickly rising to the top of the list. Its powerful features, ease of use, and automation capabilities make it an essential tool for anyone looking to increase productivity and efficiency. If you're interested in checking out Blix AI or any other recommended AI tools, I've linked them below in the description. Blix AI is definitely worth exploring if you're serious about enhancing your workflow with cutting-edge AI technology. Be sure to check it out for yourself, completely free from the first link below.